Hello everyone, welcome to Petpooja Payroll tutorials. So far, you've seen how employee attendance can be managed through a biometric device. By default, biometric attendance is already permitted. But what if your employees are working remotely or from a different location? Petpooja Payroll has an employee app available on the Play Store and App Store that allows employees to punch in remotely. But this only works once you've enabled the permission from your dashboard. Let's see how. From the dashboard, go to the Employees section on the left and open Attendance Permissions. Every employee with a biometric or hardware device registered will appear here. The Attendance Method column tells you how each employee is currently punching in. 3 features to know here: geo-tagging, geo-fencing, and MAC filter. To allow your employees to punch in from any location, go to geo-tagging. Just toggle on mobile attendance for that employee. And once enabled, employees can mark their attendance from anywhere using the app. However, if you want employees to punch in only from a specific location, you can enable geo-fencing. This ensures that employees can only punch in when they are actually at work. It locks the punch-in within 200 meters of the location you set from the dashboard. The third feature is MAC filter, and this one is about security. Once an employee logs in from one phone, that becomes their only allowed device. This prevents fake or proxy punch-ins. If an employee changes their phone, click the 3-dot menu of that employee and hit Reset Mobile Login. And if you're setting this up for a whole team, select all employees using the checkboxes and use the bulk enable options at the top for both mobile attendance and geo-fencing. Done in seconds. Try setting this up for your team today and stay tuned for more Petpooja Payroll tutorials.